guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another bridal eye makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this green and this greenish gold half cut crease eye look with a little bit of glitter in it. This can be a perfect look for Mehndi ceremony. I know there are a lot of people who usually wear green outfits for their Mehndi ceremony. So this can be a perfect look. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. I'm starting with my brows first. For that I'm using my Wet n Wild micro brow pencil in the shade deep brown, and I am just drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. Stay tuned because an updated eyebrow routine is coming up pretty soon on my channel. In that video I'll be sharing with you so many tips and tricks, and I will also share with you how I groom my brows at home. I have already filmed that video, so stay tuned, it's coming up pretty soon. Now I am taking my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer and I am just cleaning up the borders on my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. I will be applying the same concealer on my eyelid to prime my eyelid for eyeshadows. I recently started using this concealer as my eyeshadow base, and let me tell you, it works great as an eyeshadow base because it is not too thick, it is not too thin. The consistency is right in between, and it just makes my eyeshadow pop, and it just makes my eyeshadow long lasting. As a concealer, it kind of gives me medium coverage, which is also fine. And the sponge that I'm using is from Wet n Wild. Now I am taking my Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent loose powder and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. A shade called Mystified from my Colourpop It's a Mood eyeshadow palette, and with this Morphe JS15 brush I'm applying it on my crease, actually slightly above my crease because I have hooded eyes. I am creating a new crease for myself, and taking little by little product I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. If you take a lot of product at a time, then it might become patchy and it might become hard to blend, and we do not want that. Now I am taking Oblivion. It's a beautiful like mossy green shade, and taking that shade I am blending out the edges to have that nice smooth gradient effect from a darker shade to a lighter shade. And the brush that I'm using, it is again from Morphe. And look how seamlessly the shadow is blending. Now it's time to cut the crease, and for that I'm using my Puna Stone lip brush, and first I'm just marking the area where I want to place my cut crease, and then I will apply the concealer. And if you are a beginner if you want to cut your crease, just take your time, be patient and practice a lot. I know cut crease just takes some time, but once you get it, it's totally worth it. Now I'm applying the concealer wherever the green is peeping through. I am not applying the concealer all over on my eyelid. I'm just setting the concealer, taking a little bit of loose powder, and now taking that dark green shade, I'm applying it right here on the outer V area, and I'm taking the color slightly towards my eyelid to have that nice gradient ombre effect. Now I am taking this beautiful greenish gold shade from the palette, and with this flat shader brush again from Morphe, I'm applying it all over on my eyelid, and you can see it is a beautiful color. If you do not have this particular eyeshadow palette in your collection, I will mention some alternatives in the description bar down below. I think e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette in Hot Jalapeno is a great option. Taking the green shade, I'm just blending out the edges. Taking the same green shade, I'm applying it on the border of the cut crease just to make my cut crease look seamless, crisp and defined. And you can see the difference it just made. Now I am taking this beautiful pressed glitter and I'm applying it right here on the border of that lid shade. I do not want a very concentrated glittery look, so I am kind of applying it in a dispersed manner. Taking my Wet n Wild eyeliner, I'm just drawing a wing here. Now with my Jordana Easy Eyeliner pencil in this shade Jet Black, I'm just outlining my eyes. You can use any kajal pencil or gel eyeliner that you have in your collection. Taking that dark green shade, I am smudging out my entire lower lash line, and for that I'm using this angled brush from Pune store. Taking that mossy green shade, I'm applying it on the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. Now I'm highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. I'm just elongating the inner corners of my eyes so that my eyes look wider and bigger. I'm just curling my natural lashes with my eyelash curler and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. For my falsies, I'm using these Ioni lashes which I got from Dollar Tree. I will mention some alternatives in the description bar down below. Here is the final look. I truly loved how the entire look came together. I think this is a perfect look for all those green outfits. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and please leave your comment. I read all your comments and I always reply back, so please leave me a comment. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please do subscribe, and if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.